Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix iPhone error 4013 quickly and effectively so you can restore or update your device without any interruptions. This error usually happens due to a hardware issue or a problem during an update or restore. First, make sure your Lightning cable and USB port are working properly. Try using an original Apple cable and a different USB port on your computer. Next, restart your iPhone and computer. Then connect again and try updating or restoring via iTunes or Finder. If the error continues, put your iPhone into recovery mode. For most models, press and hold the appropriate buttons until the recovery screen appears. Then select Update first. If Update fails, try Restore. Also, check that your computer's iTunes or Finder is updated to the latest version. Finally, if none of these steps work, it may be a hardware issue, and visiting an Apple Store or authorized repair center is recommended. After following these steps, error 4013 should be resolved, letting your iPhone restore or update successfully. Subscribe the channel for more videos.